Hello everyone. Today I am presenting our project titled Zero UI Online Shopping Redefining Accessibility for Visually Impaired. This project has been developed by our team members Sahil Ansari, Riya Pal, Mangesh Kumar Shah, Kanjan Duri, and Shruti Agarwal. The core idea of this project is to transform the traditional e commerce experience into a completely voice driven system, eliminating the needs for screens, buttons, or any graphical interface. In today's digital world, most online shopping platforms rely heavily on visual interaction such as clicking buttons, scrolling pages, and navigating menus. However, for visually impaired users, this creates a major accessibility barrier, making it difficult to independently perform even basic tasks like searching for product or completing a purchase. Our motivation was to design a system that provides equally equal accessibility and independence, allowing users to interact with an e-commerce platform in a natural and intuitive way through voice. To address this, we developed a zero UI system where the entire interaction is handled through speech input and audio output. The system listens to the user, understands their intent, processes the request, and responds back in voice, creating a seamless conversational experience. The system integrates multiple advanced technologies, including automatic speech recognition for converting voice to text, natural language processing to understand user intent, semantic search using trans- sentence transformers, FAISS for fast similarity based retrieval, and text to speech for generating natural audio responses. Together, these components forms a complete intelligent pipeline. The key objectives of our system are as follows. First, to implement real-time speech-to-text interaction so that users can communicate naturally with the system. Second, perform accurate intent detection using natural language processing, enabling the system to understand what users want. Third, to enable semantic product retrieval, where the system understands the meaning of the query instead of relying on exact keywords. Fourth, to support complete shopping functionality, including browsing, adding to cart, and checkout using only voice. Fifth, to implement interrupt handling so that users can control or stop the system in real time. And finally, to maintain a smooth and natural conversational flow throughout the interaction. The system is designed as a modular pipeline where each component performs a specific task and passes the output to the next stage. This ensures scalability, maintainability, and efficient real-time processing. Module 1, User Interaction and Authentication. The first module handles user authentication. It allows users to register and log in using a conversational flow instead of traditional forms. The system interacts with the user step by step using voice. User credentials are securely stored in MongoDB and authentication is managed using JWT token. This ensures secure session handling and personalized user experience. Module 2, Voice Input Processing plus Input Handling. This module is responsible for capturing user input and converting it into text using speech recognition. A key feature of this module is interrupt handling implemented using wake word detection. This allows users to stop or modify the system response in real time, making the interaction more natural and controllable. Module 3, NLP and Intent Detection. Once the speech is converted into text, it is processed using natural language processing techniques. The system identifies the user's intent, such as browsing product, adding to cart, or place an order. This is achieved using embedding models and similarity based matching, enabling the system to understand queries even if they are phrased differently. Fourth module, semantic search and retrieval. Unlike traditional keyword-based search, the system uses semantic search, which focuses on meaning of the query. The user input is converted into vector embeddings using sentence transformers, allowing more accurate and context-aware product matching. Module 5, FAISS Retrieval Engine. To effectively search through large product datasets, we use FAISS, which is a high-performance similarity search library. It compares the query embeddings with stored product embeddings and retrieves the most relevant results based on similarity scores. Module 6, Command Execution. After identifying the intent and retrieving relevant data, the module executes the required action. This includes operations such as adding to cart, updating quantities, removing product, and processing checkout, etc. It acts as a bridge between user intent and system functionality. Module 7, Response Generation and Text to Speech. Finally, the system generates a response based on the executed action. This response is converted into natural speech using text to speech technology, allowing the users to receive feedback in audio form. This completes the full conversational loop. Below is the minimal UI. So now I will explain the detailed working of our system using this flowchart, which represents the internal decision making logic and control flow of our zero UI shopping assistant. The process begins with the start node, where the system initializes and prepares for user interaction. The first step is where the user is required to either register or log in. This step ensures that every interaction is associated with a valid user, allowing us to maintain user specific data such as cart items, order history, and session state. Once authentication is successful, the system transits to main interaction phase where user speaks command. After logging, the interaction with system by speaking a command. Since our system follows a zero UI approach, this voice input becomes the primary method of communication between the user and the system. Then this command is then passed to the speech to text module, where it is converted into textual format. This conversion is essential because further processing such as intent detection requires text as input. The converted text is then analyzed by natural language processing module. This module identifies the intent behind the user's commands such as browse product, checkout, add to cart, etc. This step is crucial because it determines how the system will respond next. Interrupt handling. After detecting the intent, interrupt word act as a control command that allows the user to immediately stop or reset the current interaction. If the intent is detected, then the system resets in interaction and clears the current flow and returns to the initial listening state. If the intent is not detected, the system continues to natural processing. This feature is extremely important for real-time usability as it gives full controls to the user. Then the command is validated. If the system verifies the command provided by the user is valid, then based on the intent, the further based on the intent, the system retrieves the if the intent classified is browse product, the system retrieved the relevant product using semantic search. The results are then presented to the user in audio format. The user can select product, ask for more details, or add to cart. This step ensures that the user can make informed decision before proceeding further. After adding to cart, the confirmation is provided through audio format. If user chooses to proceed to checkout, the system enters the checkout process. Here, the system verifies cart item, confirms the order, and the order is successfully placed. If the user wishes to cancel the order, the system also provides flexibility to cancel order. The system updates the order status, confirming the cancellation, and then returns back to the listening state. Overall, this flowchart demonstrates how our system intelligently handles user input, dynamically adapt to different intents, and provide a complete voice control shopping experience with real-time interaction and decision-making capabilities. Let's begin the demonstration. First, let me show the current state of the database. In my MongoDB in user collection, currently there is only one registered user present in the system. In the cart, collection is empty, which means no user has added any product to the cart yet. Similarly, the order collection is also empty, indicating no order has been placed so far. Let's start the application. The system will initialize the embedding models, load the product database, connect to MongoDB, and start the voice assistant along with the UI server. Currently in my MongoDB there is only one user. I will now create an additional user for demonstration purpose and perform the e-commerce operation using that user's account. The React application shows an animated object that responds to the assistant state.
Hello and welcome to our store. How can I assist you today? Would you like to log into an existing account or sign up for a new one?
Sign up for a new one.
Hello and welcome to our shop. To get started, please tell me your full name so I can set up your account.
Mangesh Kumar Shah.
Hi Mangesh Kumar Shah, I'm here to help you sign up. Please tell me a unique username you'd like to use.
Mangesh.
To set up your account, I need you to say a 4-digit number that will serve as your password. Please say your 4-digit PIN now, using numbers only.
1234.
To verify your account, I'll need your contact number. Please say your phone number.
0987654321.
To complete your sign-up, I need your delivery address. Please tell me your address, including your street name, apartment number, city, and postcode.
Room number 149, Motilal Nagar, Goregaon, Mumbai.
Welcome to our online store, Mangesh. What can I help you with today?
I want to buy an iPhone.
Here are some iPhone options available. 1. Apple iPhone 14 Starlight 512 GB, 12 GB RAM 110,721 Indian rupees. 2. Apple iPhone 14 Midnight 512 GB, 12 GB RAM 112,817 Indian rupees. 3.
Terminator. Add the first one to cart.
Apple iPhone 14 has been added to your cart. Your cart. 1. Apple iPhone 14, quantity, 1, unit price, 110,721 Indian rupees, subtotal, 110,721 Indian rupees. Cart total, 110,721 Indian rupees.
Increase the quantity by 1.
Apple iPhone 14 quantity updated. Your cart. 1. Apple iPhone 14 quantity, 2, unit price, 110,721 Indian rupees, subtotal, 221,442 Indian rupees. Cart total, 221,442 Indian rupees.
Proceed to checkout.
Order summary. 1. Apple iPhone 14, quantity, 2, 110,721 Indian rupees. Total, 221,442 Indian rupees. Shipping to, room number 149 Motilal Nagar, Goregaon, Mumbai. Would you like to confirm this order? Say yes to place or no to cancel.
Yes, confirm the order.
Order placed successfully. Order ID, ORDC 9725F1A. Total, 221,442 Indian rupees. Items, 1. Shipping to, room number 149 Motilal Nagar, Goregaon, Mumbai. Thank you for your order.
Exit.
Goodbye. Have a great day.
So now let's look how the database has been updated after performing all the operations. Here we can see a new user has been successfully created during the sign up process. The password is being securely stored in the hash format, ensuring proper authentication security. The card currently is empty because after placing the order, the system automatically clears the cart. The order status has been updated, and finally this shows that all the user action including sign up, cart operation, order placement are being reflected in real time in database. This completes the end-to-end workflow of the voice enabled e-commerce assistant. And these are the code snippets for each modules that are explained before. So to conclude, our project successfully demonstrate a complete zero UI framework for online shopping voice interaction by integrating speech recognition, natural language processing, semantic search, and text to speech. We have created a system that allows users to perform complex tasks in a simple and intuitive manner. This system significantly improves accessibility and provides independence to visually impaired users, allowing them to shop without relying on visual interfaces or external assistance. The key innovation of our project lies in combining conversational AI, semantic understanding, and real time interaction into a single unified system. In the future, this system can be enhanced by adding multilingual voice support, personalized product recommendations, integrating with real world e commerce platform, and improved AI models for better understanding. So, thank you for watching our product presentation.